Now, so good morning, children. Today we are going to start the group discussion on the topic, and the topic will be given, introduction by Abhinaya and group, and later on we'll carry forward with the other groups. Now I request Abhinaya to start the group discussion.
Good morning. Atmanirbhar Bharat is a mission that invented by the our PM Narendra Modi, and that it should be a self-reliant and self-independent India. Like we have to not depend on other countries on we are using like foreign goods. We have to made ourselves and we have to use the goods. Yeah. Nitisha, continue.
Mission of economic revival and progress of the Indian economy under lockdown. The Amitamar Bharat has been praised for reintroducing the idea of Swarja as a redemptive tool for the post-pandemic economy. It implement effect. It can help achieve the dream of India being economically stable, technology India, Bharat gap, and fulfill the aspiration of an equitable society. I'm done.
Ma'am, can I? Atmanirbhar Bharat is also known as, and are the five pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat focused on economy, infrastructure, system, vibrant demography, and demand. Thank you. Satyadev, you are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, carry on, Satyadev.
Ma'am, your voice is low, ma'am.
Yeah, start, Satyadev.
Ma'am, Atmanirbhar Bharat means not depending on any other country, ma'am. In the past years, the India had made many more successes, ma'am. These are like science and technology and medical department, ma'am. These are the foundations of the Atmanirbhar Bharat. The main thing is that all products has to be made in India, ma'am.
Okay.
And global healing of local products. What is mean by global healing means providing the primary from the healthcare for the measuring of the world's population, ma'am. There are five facts of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Economy. Economy has to be in self-sufficiency, ma'am. And infrastructure. And infrastructure also has to be in self-sufficiency. What is mean by infrastructure means basic facilities of roads, buildings, and power supplies. System, ma'am. We have to get new technology and new technology in present and future. Vibrant democracy. Turning youth into department. Sorry, health. Educational department, ma'am.
Okay.
Demand, self demand also has to be more in India, ma'am. Like we have to supply more Indian products than rather than international products, ma'am.
Okay.
Interest to be capped, ma'am. In the buyer reach payments at the end of each period, 100% credit guarantee over to banks, ma'am. NBFS. What is mean by NBFS means non-bank financial department.
Okay.
Finished, ma'am.
Srijan, you can carry on. Srijan.
Okay, ma'am. Randir, start.
Good morning, everyone. Atmanirbhar Bharat, English Self-Reliant India, is a version of the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, of making India a self-reliant nation. First mention of this came is the form of the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan or Self-Reliant India Mission during announcement of coronavirus.
In his address to the nation, PM Modi observed that countries should view the COVID-19 crisis as an opportunity to achieve economic self-reliance. He stressed on the importance of promoting local Abhiyan or self-reliant Indian mission. Indian government announced a special economic tour for 10 India 2020, achieving the mission. It includes the measures earlier announced by the Finance Ministry and steps taken by the 5 pillars of this scheme.
According to the Prime Minister, a self-reliant India should Ma'am, are you here?
Yeah.
Hello? Are you
Yes, Aditya.
are you hearing?
Carry on.
lakh crore or 10% of India's gross domestic product in 2019 to 2020, which is aimed towards achieving economic self-reliance. The package will focus on land, labor, liquidity, and loss. It will cater to various sections, including cottage industry, MSMEs, laborers, middle-class industries, among others. The package will also focus on empowering the poor, laborers, migrants, etc., both organized and unorganized sectors. Reforms needed for achieving economic self-reliance so that the impact of crises such as COVID can be negotiated in the future. Rajkumar.
Good morning to one and all. Now I am saying about the reforms which include supply chain reforms for agriculture, a rational tax system, simple and clear laws, capable human resource, and a strong financial system. These reforms are expected to promote business, attract investment, and further strengthen Make in India. Santosh.
Self-reliant and self-confident. Public investment in education, human and capability and research and development has to be increased in India.
Thank you, ma'am.
Siri, you can carry on.
Yes, ma'am. The government announced the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, so has to review every sphere of the economy from demand, supply to manufacturing, and make India self-reliant to sustain and tackle any black swan event in the future. To overcome these testing times, Honorable PM Sri Narendra Modi has come up with Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan that promotes local economy. A special and comprehensive economic package for rupees 20 lakhs crore that accounts for 10% of India's GDP has been announced to bring the economy back on track. Anishita, continue.
India is fighting multiple challenges along with COVID-19, including floods, earthquakes. We had to turn crisis into an opportunity for creating Atmanirbhar Bharat and take steps to ensure that product which we import from elsewhere are manufactured in India. The economic crisis triggered by the coronavirus pandemic in 2020 gave birth to the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. While the idea was first proposed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, some of its features are similar to the Swadeshi movement launched on August 7, 1905, to take on the British regime of the time. India's self-reliance will be based on 5 pillars: economy, infrastructure, technology-driven system, vibrant democracy, demand. My friend will say more benefits about it.
Benefits of Atmanirbhar. This Atmanirbhar package was passed by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This package is very useful for farmers, industrialists, daily laborers, and small scale industries, etc. Our India became backward and our country's GDP became low. So our Prime Minister passed a package called Atmanirbhar Bharat. In this package, to help farmers and to run small scale industries and daily laborers, our Prime Minister gave a loan subvention for each farmer, industrialist, daily laborers, and all manufacturing units, etc. This package value of 20 lakh crores is equal to the other country's 1 year budget. Now, my friend will continue the
Nitisha. Nitisha, continue.
Atmanirbhar Bharat is the vision of the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, of making India a self-reliant nation. The first mention of this came in the form of the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan or Self-Reliant India Mission. During the announcement of coronavirus pandemic related economic package of 20 lakh crores on 12 aimed to be Protestant in the nature, as the finance minister clarified, self-reliant India does not mean cutting off from the rest of the world. The law and the IT minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said that self-reliance does not mean isolating away from the world. Foreign direct investment is welcome. Technology is welcome. Self-reliant India translates to being bigger and more important. Bharat package, numerous government decisions have taken place, such as changing the definition of MSME, boosting scope for private participation in numerous sectors, increasing FDI in the defense sector, and the vision has found support in many sectors, such as the solar manufacture sector. PM Modi added the symptoms for the industries that Bharat Abhiyan is based on 5 pillars: economy, infrastructure, technology-driven system, vibrant demography, and demand. Now my friend will continue with the conclusion.
Nitin.
Shritesh, you can carry on.
Yes, ma'am. Pleasant morning to everyone. A step towards transformation of agriculture into sustainable enterprises. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has announced a special package, an economic and comprehensive package of rupees 20 lakh crore, which was aimed towards achieving the mission. The mission focuses on the importance of promoting local products. The mission is also expected to complement Make India, which encourage manufacturing India, including agriculture sector, which have a great potential in our country, India. Agriculture plays a very crucial role in Atmanirbhar Bharat. 5 pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat economy. An economy that brings quantum jump rather than incremental change. Infrastructure. An infrastructure that becomes the identity of modern India. System. A system that is driven by technology which can fulfill the dreams of the 21st century. A system not based on the policy of the past century. Demography. Our vibrant demography is our strength in the world's largest democracy. Our source of energy for self-reliant India. Now, Abhinash will be continued.
Agriculture continued to be the source of livelihood for majority of the population. In a nutshell, agriculture has a vast impact on every region of the country, either directly or indirectly. With the motivation of transform the agriculture into a sustainable enterprise, Government of India Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has recently taken a host of historical pro-agricultural landmarks innovated towards the development of Atmanirbhar Krishi in India by implementing 3 land reforms on 5th of June 2020. for the benefit of farmers community. Now Mohit will continue.
Good morning, everyone. The farmers produce trade and commerce, promotion and facilitation
Mohit, your
orders
voice is
20.
very low.
Ma'am, now it's okay.
Yeah, fine, fine. Carry on,
Farmers
Mohit.
produce the farmers produce trade and promotion and facilitation orders 2020. Farmers produce trade and promotion and facilitation.
Carry on.
Ma'am? Who, ma'am?
I think Ashriti is not ready, ma'am.
As decided by the members of FPO. 15% of the targeted FPOs are to be found in aspirational districts, and formation of FPOs is to be prioritized in notified tribal areas. Scheme will be focused on the concept of one district, one product to promote formation of value chain, processing and export. SFAC, NCDC and NABARD have been chosen as the implementing agencies. Agriculture value chain organization forming FPOs and facilitating 60% of market linkages for members produce. Then FPO management cost can be
The farmers produce trade and promotion and facilitation. Audience 2020 allowing liberal trade increased competition amongst buyers. Remove barriers in interstate trade and offering more options to buy. All these of farmers incoming. The farmers improvement and protection. Agreement on price insurance and farmer service ordinance 2020. Facilitation with assurance of price to farmers at the time of sowing. Crop decisions based on forward contracts. Minimize market risk and solve issues of erratic food printing and encourage contract farming. The Essential Commodities Amendment Ordinance 2020 boosting private investments in agri supply chains and food processing industries export infrastructure. Now, Ashwin will